Buongiorno, my fellow vertical farmers. Greetings from the Italian Dolomites. I'm here hiking with my father. He's right there. And this video today is about, do you believe that everyone can succeed with their own microgreen farm? If you do, then type yes in the comments. If you don't, then type no. What I have learned the past weeks is that there is a lot of general discussions about, can everyone succeed with a microgreen farm? And the video today is about, is it possible to succeed? Can everyone succeed as a vertical farmer? And I want to give my take on, is it possible or not? And in my honest opinion, I don't think that everyone has the power and ability to succeed as a vertical farmer. Not everyone has the ability to succeed with a company, because that's essentially what you are creating. Many people forget that making a microgreen farm is creating a business, and if you're creating a business, you need to know how business works. So some people go all in and invest a lot of money in setting up their farm. Not everyone has the ability to sustain their financials because they have bills to pay. You probably have a lot of bills to pay privately, but starting a business will increase the amount of bills you need to pay, because you also need to pay your expenses, your rent, your employees, not in the beginning. So if you choose to go too hard, make too many investments and not have the customer base, then you won't have the ability to keep generating your income and keep paying your bills. So can everyone succeed as a vertical farmer? I don't think so. You need many different skill sets, and that's why we advocate that you have a team of people that are able to work with you in harmony. I highly recommend you read the book Think and Grow Rich, because in there are general principles about how to succeed in general. So the first thing is having the right skill sets, being able to communicate well with people. If you are very shy, I advocate and recommend you find a partner that's not shy, who can manage the sales. It's impossible to do all the tasks yourself, but if you are a team and work together and you don't believe that you will lose money because you now have to share some of the revenue and the profits with a team member or a partner, it's just much easier to work in a team, because you still have to have your normal job, you still have to have your bills paid, and when you are working multiple people together, then you have a higher probability of succeeding as a microgreen grower. I heard stories about people who don't know that everyone is not able to succeed, so they think they can, and they get convinced into buying a lot of equipment, and because of that they don't have the necessary knowledge behind it, they don't have the skill sets, so they don't know how to utilize the equipment that they invest in. That's why it's, in my opinion, more important to invest in knowledge first, and then figuring from that experience and from that knowledge how to invest in equipment. If you think that it's gonna be that the first 10 people you go and sell to are going to be sales and successes, that's not how it works. That's not how it worked for us. We got 2 out of 10 customers in the beginning when we tried selling. Later, we visited those customers again that we didn't get, and we got them because we now understood what their needs were, and how the kitchen operated, how the fruit and beverage section of the restaurant, of the hotels, of the catering companies worked. And because of that, we were able to get a higher return and more sales through that process. We are mentoring a guy. He got our mentorship. He got into the mentorship, and now a month later, I think, a month, 6 weeks later maybe, he was out with his first trays and were able to get 2 out of 5 customers. So 2 out of 5 customers bought his products after he learned what we taught him about how to get the customers and how to utilize the system that we have created to maintain and keep 1,000+ clients each week. So each week we sell to 1,000+ clients, and learning that process has been hard and difficult. It took us 5 years, but we now systematized it so it's easier for us to get customers. And in that sense, it's much simpler for us to go out and get a higher percentage customers and clients from what we sell, because we know what their needs are and we know how to maintain the proper service level. If you are interested in learning how we do this, then we have set up a mentorship program, and in this video there is a link in the description where we detail more how the mentorship challenge works, how we are going to help you create an income and generate sales using our system. And if you are interested, then you can go and find the video in the link, and then we will hopefully hear more from you. I hope this video brought a lot of value to you. I hope that you can now realize and see that it's not everyone who can succeed, but if you have the proper mindset and you are invested in getting to learn the right skills, then you can succeed as well. That's all for me today. Have a nice time and see you in the next video.